In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GCash MPIN. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to expect on each screen, and a few smart tips to keep your account secure while you make the change. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. From the home screen, look for the profile section. It's usually represented by a small person icon or your profile photo. Tap that to open your account details. Once you're in your profile, find and tap Settings. This is where GCash keeps options related to privacy, security, and app preferences, and it's the place you want to be to update your MPIN. Inside Settings, tap Change GCash MPIN. As soon as you select this, the app will ask for your current MPIN. This is a security check to confirm that it's really you making the change. Go ahead and enter your current MPIN carefully. If you don't remember it, pause here and use the app's recovery options later to reset it safely. For now, you'll need the current MPIN to proceed. After your current MPIN is accepted, the app will prompt you to enter a new MPIN. Type your new MPIN, then you'll be asked to verify it by entering the same numbers again. This double entry helps prevent typos and ensures you set exactly what you intended. Take a moment to choose a strong, memorable MPIN. Avoid obvious combinations like repeating digits or anything tied to personal dates. Pick something unique to you and don't share it with anyone. If you need help remembering it, consider a method that's secure and private, rather than writing it down where others might see. Once your new MPIN is entered and verified, tap Submit. The app will process your request and show a confirmation on the screen when your MPIN has been successfully updated. If you see that confirmation, you're all set. Your new MPIN is now active, and you'll use it the next time the app asks for it. Before we wrap up, a few quick reminders. Make sure you're doing this in a private place so no one can see your screen. Keep your device updated and only use the official GCash app from a trusted app store. If something doesn't look right or you get an unexpected error, close the app and try again on a stable internet connection. That's all it takes to change your GCash MPIN. Open the app, go to Profile, enter Settings, choose Change GCash MPIN, confirm your current MPIN, set a new one, verify it, and tap Submit. You've got this.